My dear 9th class students, so we completed first chapter. Have you completed your homework? Today we are going to discuss the second chapter. There is a new chapter, second chapter. The chapter name polynomials. Polynomials and factorization. And factorization. Okay. So what is the meaning of here? Polynomial, which is called as a polynomial. Polynomial here, once everybody open the page number 27, the polynomial, the page number 27, look here, the first, second, third, fourth paragraph. Algebraic expressions such that 3xy, x square plus 2x, x cube minus x square plus 4x plus 3, pi a r square, comma ax plus b, etc. are called as a polynomials. So, expressions should be like in the unique p form, like that is 2xy. Either are plus or minus x square minus 3. Either will be y square plus 3. This is called as a polynomials. These are called what here? Polynomials. So, which are not called as a polynomials? Which are the terms are not called as a polynomials? For example, x square by 3 plus 1. Okay, na? These are the type of the expressions are called not called as a polynomial. Why? Because it are in the form of in the fraction form. Which are the numbers are in the fraction form is called as a not called as a polynomials. Polynomials means what? Exactly should be the unique p form. 2x square minus y square plus 3 or 2x square y square. This is called as a polynomial. So, from the above here, x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 3. X to the power of 1 by 2 plus 3. Next to is not called as a polynomial. Why? Because the first term is x to the power of 1 by 3 term within the exponent of non-negative integers. Non-negative integers means what here? X to the power of 1 by 2. If you write this one, we can write this one minus 2. Sir, how we can write x power of 1 by 2? X power of 1 by 2. Suppose the 1 by a to the power of n. So what is the formula? A to the power of minus n. No. This is called as a non-negative. Here negative powers is not called as a what? Polynomials. We cannot call as a polynomials. And also second was 2x square minus 3 by x plus 5 is not called as a polynomial. Why? Because 2x square, that whatever the 3 by x is there here, 2x square minus 3 by x, this 2x square minus 3x, if it is in the power in the negative powers, it's not called as a polynomial. Powers are it in the called in the power of in the form of negative, it is not called as a polynomial. So, algebraic expression which are the variables involved that only non-negative integral powers are called as a polynomial. It should be in the form of positive only. Suppose in the fraction form it is not called as a polynomial. When if you are writing the starting the chapter name, after writing the chapter name, write down the fourth paragraph algebraic and write down the up to till the total page. Okay na? This is the introduction of about the polynomial. Polynomial means what here? Non-negative. That's what non-negative integral powers is called as a polynomial. Suppose in the power we have anything minus 2 or minus 3 is not called as a polynomial. So these are the terms are called as either it will be minus or plus, but power should not come in the minus. It is about the polynomial. Okay na? Next, think and discuss and write is there. Page number 28. Which of the following expressions are the polynomial, which are not, and give the reason. First one is the polynomial. Why? Because it is in the power, is all the powers are what here? It is in the positive only. 4x square plus 5x minus 2 is the exactly called as a polynomial. Why? Because powers are the positive powers only. Second also polynomial only. Y square minus 8. Sorry, here minus there. Leave this minus in the after the whatever the expressions are. The power should be in the positive form. Okay na? Power star should be not in the fraction form. Power star should be not in the negative form. Okay na? Next, fourth one is not called as a. So third one is a polynomial. 5 sir, how we can write this one? 5, if you are not then means what, you can write here 5 into x to power of 0, 5 into x to power of 0, x to power of 0 value what here, 1 only, that means what, 5 into 1, here 5 only. So, if any number is given, nothing that are not given, we can write x power 0 or 5 power 0 or whatever it may be. Okay, 5 also called what here, polynomial only. Fourth is not called as a polynomial. Why? Because 2x square plus 3 by x minus y is there. So 3 by x is came here. 2x square plus 3 by x here minus 5. So here look at this 3 by x. Again write 2x square. This 3 power we can write this one minus x. This is called as a negative powers. It's not called as a polynomial. Okay na? Fourth, root 3x square plus 5. Root 3x square plus 5y. This is the fifth one, look here. So root 3 right here, leave this root 3, whatever the power is there, this power should be in the form of positive. This is also called as a polynomial. Seventh is not called as a polynomial. Why? Because 1 by x plus 1. It is in the form of fraction form. Seventh, root x. Root x we can write what here? X power 1 by 2. Root x means what? X power 1. This is not called as a polynomial. Okay now. Eighth is called as a polynomial. This is the about the introduction of the polynomial and which are called as a polynomial, which are not called as a polynomial. Think and discuss. Okay na? One check out, Babu. Everybody check out. Next, degree of the polynomial. We are going to discuss the degree of the polynomial. So, what is the meaning of here degree? Degree means what? Degree of the polynomial means what? Okay. Okay, once observe here. Is it clear now? We are discussing the degree of polynomial. So, for example, I am writing a 3x square plus 2x minus 5. If you write down this one, degree, whichever the highest power is there, here nothing there means what here? Power 1. Now, what is the highest power here? 2. So, this is what here? Degree is the 2. Is it clear? What is the meaning of here? Degree. Is it clear now? Once you look here, page number 29, we have here, do this is there here. We have the do this. Write the two polynomials with variables x. Write the two polynomial variables x means what here? Like this 2x, comma 3x with variable only one x. Same. Write the three polynomials with variable y. You can take the any number, just write down the y. 5y, 10y like that. Next to is the polynomial 2x square plus 3xy plus 5 square is one variable? No. Why? Because here x came, y came. One variable means only one letter. One variable means only one. Here, what is the extra came here? Y is came here. Let us look here. Finding the degree of the polynomial. So, once first example, 3x square plus 7x plus 5. So, what is the 3x square plus 7? Which is the highest power? Highest power is what here? 2. So, what is the called as a degree is what here? 2. Okay, now is it clear? Degree what here? 2. Next to second one, 3x square y square plus 4xy minus 7. Sir, how we can do this one? How we can do this one? Sir, here look here, combinedly came here, x square y square. In this problem only in the variables of x, but here problem variables of x and y. So, like this problem came if x and y. How to do here? 3, write down here x square and y square. X square y square means what here? Write down this one 2 plus 2. How much here? 4. 2 plus 2 how much here? 4. Next 4xy. X to power of 1 and y to power of 1 minus 1 plus 1 what here? 2. So, look here. 3x square y cube. Sorry. Y cube there here. 2 plus 3. Whatever the powers are there, first add this power 2 plus 3 5. For this term, only this term is power what here? Y. 5. For this term here 1 1. That means what? 1 plus 1 what here? 2. Now which is the highest, 5 or 2? So 5 only. Why? Because look here, 2 plus 3 how much here? 5. Sir, here we didn't addition. Why? Because here only one x is there. Here we have the x and y. That's why we add the 2 plus 3, 5. Here only 1, 1. 1 plus 1 means what here? 2. Which is the highest? This is the highest one. Only such of these problems came, you have to write down like this only. Is it clearer? Degree is clearer. Next we will discuss about the coefficients. Sir, coefficients means what here? What is the meaning of here? Coefficient. Coefficient. Co means what? Pakkaku. Pakkaku antam kada? Coefficient like that. Pakkaku. So once observe this one. Once we are observed this problem only, example. Okay na? We have x square coefficient. X square coefficient. So if they ask the x square coefficient, what is the number is there here? 3. Simple. Okay na? If they ask to find the x coefficient, what is the x coefficient? What here? 2. For example, again 3x cube minus 2x, okay na? Minus 2x square minus x plus 1. If they ask to find the x coefficient means what? This is the x only. What is the coefficient? What here? Here nothing is there, number is not there. If you are not there, write down here 1. That means minus asterisk. X before anything number is not there, we write down minus 1. So here x square before number is there, so we can write 2. But here x before number is not there, we can write only a minus 1. This is the degree and polynomial and coefficient. Okay na? Here we have the do this there here. What is that? Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. First question. So they given only in x only. So no need to addition of the powers like this. Here x and y, that's why we did the addition. Okay na? So what is the highest power here? 3. Degree is equal to 3. Second one, degree is equal to 2. Third one, 5p is there. You can write the p power what here? 1. Simple. What is that? 5p minus 3 means what? Degree is what here? 1. 2 is there. Already I said here, if the number is not there, we can write what here? 0. Here what is the degree here? 0 only. Okay na? Next. Fifth one, which is the highest there? 2 there here. Okay na? Here we have here 2 and here x what here? 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay na? Write the coefficient of the x square in each of the following. So, I'll say the second one. Second bit, second one. 1 minus x square. So, they asked to find out the x square coefficient. So, I said already x square before anything not there. Leave this one. I am not asking this one. X square before anything number not there. X square before what is the area sign? Minus. If not there means what here? Write down the minus 1. You have to write down the each and everything. This is the today class. One check out. Is it clear? The class is clear. Everything is clear. One check out. What we discussed today? Polynomial, degree of the polynomial and coefficient. So what I said, first write down the polynomial definition or the paragraph, then after write down the think and discuss, then after write down the page number 29, do this, then after the degree of the polynomial, write down the total paragraph, then after write down the do this, okay na, up to the class is completed. Okay. Next, by coming to the tomorrow classes, we will learn the, what we have to learn here? We will learn the monomial, binomial, trinomial, then after one exercise problems. Okay na? Today class is completed.